What's up, everybody? This video is going to be a little different than what you're used to seeing. It's not car related for once, but I got an opportunity today to do something that's pretty cool. I'll probably never get to do again, but we are in beautiful Logan, West Virginia at the airport, and today I get to take a ride on a H-1 Huey. That's pretty excited about that, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll show you a little bit around the Huey, and then we're gonna get on this bad boy. we are here with Robert Curtis, and Robert is going to tell us a little bit of the history of this Huey we just flew on. So where did it start its service at?
This Huey is probably the oldest flying Huey. There are older airframes in existence, but they're in museums. This one's actually still operational. Its original bureau number was 6201968. That means it was made in 1962. It was number 488 off the assembly line out of 11,007 Hueys. So it was shipped to Vietnam in a box in a crate in 1962. It was assembled there. And it was a gunship, started out as a gunship in Vietnam. Still got the rocket control panel mounted above the pilot seat. It flew as a gunship, and then it was replaced by Cobras when they started coming in, the tandem seat gunship. It became a troop insert aircraft. And then after that, it became a medevac. It went down 3 times during the Vietnam War, repaired each time. In the end, its final job was a medevac ship, hauling wounded soldiers back to hospitals. In 1971, it was shipped back to the United States, rebuilt, and given to the California National Guard. The California National Guard flew it for a few years, then it was sold as surplus, and our company bought it to use in movies. And it was in many movies, Die Hard, The Rock, Escape from Alcatraz, Mars Attacks, TV shows like China Beach and Baywatch. And then after its movie career, Mike Holbrook bought it in 2002 and made it into a firefighting aircraft. But because it's a B model, it really doesn't have that much lift capacity that you need for firefighting, because water weighs over 8 pounds a gallon, very heavy. So he retired from firefighting, and now all it does is bring smiles to people who take rides there.
So tell us why you guys do this every year.
It started out, the Vietnam veterans, it started out 5 years ago. The Vietnam veterans are all getting old. The last Vietnam veteran was there in 1973. So, we're all getting old now. There he goes. We're all getting old now. It's a chance to get together the old friends, tell lies and war stories, and it's also a chance for veterans to get rid of some PTSD. And we've seen that in numerous cases, where people have actually gotten over what was bothering them flying in a Huey in a peacetime environment where nobody's trying to kill them.
Good. So how often do you all do this? Once a year?
Once a year.
Is it
the 5th time?
Is it the same weekend every year,
No,
or?
it's been a different weekend every year.
Okay. If people want to do this next year, where can they find the information for that at?
On the Marpat Aviation website, right here in Logan.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Robert. I hope everybody enjoys watching this video and watching my flight in a Huey as much as I did taking the flight in the Huey and getting to spend this day with these awesome people. But something, you know, that after I got on the ground and I started talking to these guys, and me and my wife talked about, is this is a very humbling experience, because as we got to talking to the vets, there's a lot of these guys, last time they were on this thing, they were getting shot at. They were in combat. And there's probably a lot of guys that died either on this Huey or right after they got off of it. It was a medical transport, so there was people coming back from combat on this. It's something you start thinking about, and it hits you kind of hard, you know, that you're sitting where somebody actually sat a few minutes right before they possibly didn't get to go home, you know. And we talked to one gentleman there who was in a Huey when it got shot down. He got shot in the leg, and he was stranded behind enemy lines for like 5 or 6 days before he got out. You know, it's just something we have to stop and really appreciate and think about. You know, I have an uncle that was in Vietnam that had 4 Purple Hearts and 3 Bronze Stars. My father-in-law, who you saw in the video on the helicopter with me, he's a non-combat Vietnam vet. But no matter what your opinion on war is and stuff, these people went out there and fought and died, you know, for not only our freedom, but for other people's freedoms, you know. And we just have to be really appreciative and humble about this. You know, I'm going to go back and do this again next year, and I recommend you guys do too. I'm going to put the link for the organization that does this in the description, so that way you can keep up with it if you guys want to donate to it. If you want to go meet me there next year and ride that Huey with me, I'll be there. So thanks, everybody. So since we're in West Virginia, we had to stop and get breakfast. You know where you go in West Virginia to get breakfast? Tudor's Biscuit World. Fried bologna. called the Politician.